Smile. Can you smile?
Mama.
Smile. No, but actually do it. Don't yell smile. Go like this. Smile. Yeah, there's our pose smile. Can you smile again? Like this? E? Why do you say E?
E.
Can you say cheese?
This.
Yeah. Can you say, what does a cat say?
Yeah.
What does a dog say?
Mama.
What does an elephant say?
Boo.
What does a cow say?
Boo.
And what does a bear say?
Barn.
And what does a tiger say?
Barn.
And what does a horsey say? What does a sheep say? Ba.
Ba.
What does a goat say?
Ba.
Yeah, that's what a goat says. What does Connor say? What does Mummy say? I don't say bok bok. I'm not a chicken. Connor, come here. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Hey, can I have a kiss? You're messing up my blankets, kid. Can I have a kiss, Connor? You want to kiss the picture? Kiss the phone. Thank you. Say, I love you. Yeah. Do you say good night? Yeah. I love you, Connor. Can you say, I love you, Mommy? Oh, my God. Oh, you're such a piggy. I love you too, Connor. Can you say, excuse me? Say, excuse me, not bless you.
Minnie.
You're excused.